Well, first of all, it's incredible that the White House would put this group on their calendar and actually invite them in. This is an illegitimate movement, it is an illegitimate group. And the reason I say it's illegitimate, this is the bastard child of the Hands Up, Don't Shoot movement. And we now know from evidence and facts that the Hands Up, Don't Shoot incident in Ferguson, Missouri did not happen that way. And when it was revealed that Mike Brown never had his hands up, and nor was he walking away from Officer Darren Wilson, they knew that that lie wouldn't hold. So they renamed this group. This is how these groups form. It's kind of the evolution of it. And so they came up with something that would be hard for people to argue about, you know, Black Lives Matter. But in essence, as you know, or you may know, I'm not going to tell you what you know. This group, it is a conglomeration of misfits, malcontents, underachievers. This group is comprised of original members of the Occupy movement, cop haters, black racialists, anarchists, and you also see some other disparate groups in there. I saw one such rally with this, and I've renamed it Black Lies, Lies, because the movement is based on a lie. But I saw one such rally, and there were very few black people in attendance. As a matter of fact, many of the people in there had, I support Planned Parenthood. So you see, when I say it's a disparate group, a bunch of misfits of other agenda-driven entities, you see what I mean here. And if you look at the black on black crime, and I've looked at the research, I've looked at the data, if Black lives really mattered, this group would be railing and protesting about the black on black crime that goes on a daily basis in the United States. But they have no concern about that. Only the 0.4%. Let me say that again. They only care about the 0.4% of black people killed by law enforcement officers with deadly use of force. Over 90% of the homicides in the United States are black victims, and the perpetrators are black as well.